A very good morning to one and all. I, Mrs. Anjali Shinde, welcome you all on behalf of Department of Mathematics, KTHM College, Nasik. As we all know, we are living in a time of rapid technological advancement. Computing power has been increasing exponentially. Technologies like Internet of Things and the fields such as data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence that have emerged alongside with this rapid growth are making their ways into our everyday lives. Behind all of this is big data. Python is the perfect programming language for big data because of its easy readability, less coding, tremendous library support, and statistical analysis capacity. Keeping in mind the need of this modern era to learn Python, our Department of Mathematics has organized a one-week lecture series on Python and its some applications in mathematics from 12th to 16th August under the Research Capacity Building UGC Stride Scheme, UGC, New Delhi. I would like to take this opportunity to convey my regards and sincere thanks to our Honorable Sir Chitnis of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Simiti Nilimatai Pawar, for the extraordinary measures taken by her for our overall development. Though she is not able to join us today, her best wishes are with us. Thank you, ma'am. I heartily welcome our Honorable Principal, Dr. V.B. Gaikwad, sir. The well-known and dynamic personality, the man of distinct vision, whose endless care, guidance, continued support, and words of appreciation keep us motivated. We are honored to have with us today's guest of honor, Mr. Manas Gajre, who is founder and CEO of Jabuja Labs, founder and CTO of CTO School, member of Board of Studies of Mathematics SPPU. He has developed over 1,500 mobile apps and 50 games. He is recipient of many awards for games. Each one of the game, Balloon Bow Arrow, was at first rank in 2012. He had received the Shiv Gaurav Puraskar and Shikshan Tapasvi Award. He gave first-hand demo of AR/VR to over 2,000 students and published 2 educational AR books and apps for kids. Really, a multifaceted personality and the fountainhead of illuminating ideas. I welcome you, sir. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to Dr. S.G. Pawar, sir, Head, Department of Mathematics, all my colleagues and friends, and all participants. Once again, I welcome you all and wish you all the best. Now, I request Dr. S.G. Pawar, sir, to give brief information about our department and the theme of the program. Pawar, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Attending the Zoom meeting. First of all, I welcome to Honorable Principal Dr. V.B. Gaikwad, sir. Secondly, resource person Sri Manas Gajre and all participants from various colleges. Python programming language is useful to all branches of science This is emerging programming language. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Recently, in 2019 pattern, Python programming language included as a compulsory subject at UG and PG level in mathematics syllabus. Python is new for students as well as teachers. So our department decided to arrange lecture series on Python programming. And we discussed with Honorable Principal about lecture series. He gave the permission immediately to arrange the lecture series under STRIDE scheme. Our college is a part of prestigious Institute Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. Our department running UG, PG and research center. There are 2 computer laboratories with 35 computers and broadband internet connection. The departmental library has sufficient collection of textbooks and reference books. There is also a reading room. There have been many university rank holders in department. Many of the students have qualified SET, NET and GATE examination. Some of the students are doing research in prestigious institutes such as IIT, IISER. One of our students, Ravindra Patil, received Wrangler Parazape Award. Chetan Surere, who is our faculty member, received scholarship from Department of Atomic Energy and also qualified SET, NET and GATE examination. Our all faculty also qualified SET, NET examination. Overall, there has been good academic record of the department. This has all been possible with support from our respected principal, Dr. V.B. Gaikwad. We always get permission for required infrastructure from him. He promotes the research various departments. His cooperation is always there in all administrative and co-curricular work. The discipline is maintained among the students and staff. He is a constant source of inspiration to all faculty and students. This lecture series is being no exception. This work has been possible because of his cooperation and support from Honorable Sarchitnis, Srimati Nilima Tai, in all respects. I am very thankful to all again and hope that this lecture series will result in fruitful both for students and teachers. I am sure that all participants will attend the lecture series sincerely and this lecture series will be a success. I wish all the best to all participants in their endeavors of learning Python. I once again welcome all participants on behalf of Department of Mathematics, KTH College, Nashik. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request our Honorable Principal, Dr. V.P. Gaikwad sir, to share his views. Gaikwad sir.
Thank you, Shinde ma'am. Honorable dignitaries present for this online lecture series, especially today's guest of honor, Mr. Manas Gazre, Head of the Department of Mathematics, Dr. H.G. Pawar, all his colleagues from the Mathematics Department, faculty members from our college, faculty members from different colleges, all the participant friends. At the very outset, I welcome you all on Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KRT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as a KTHM College, Nasik. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Mathematics Department as the department has taken the initiative to organize the very innovative lecture series, especially the emerging theme as a Python. Now, before discussing about the Python or the stride scheme, I would like to explain in short about the KTHM College. Our college was established in 1969, affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University and situated on the bank of Sacred River, Godavari, has witnessed tremendous administrative and academic transformation during the span of the last 52 years. KTHM College has seen consistent growth in quality as well as the quantity from the year of the establishment of the present day. I feel very happy to present a significant milestone of KTHM College for the delegate as well as the participant researchers. It's a well-known thing. In the first cycle, we have been accredited with A grade by NAC in 2003. And Savitribai Phule Pune University, the then Pune University, has conferred Best College Award to KTHM in 2004. In the same year, the University Grant Commission glorified us, offering the status of colleges with potential for excellence in the first phase. In 2006, the Department of Science and Technology of the Government of India identified our chemistry department as DST Fields Department, which has enriched its potential. The University Grant Commission has restored our status of college with potential for excellence in the second phase as well in 2009. And we have successfully retained the A grade in NAC accreditation in 2011 in the second cycle with 3.30 cumulative grade point average. Then after that, we received the grant under the scheme of the Department of Biotechnology Star College scheme, DST Fields at 0 level from Government of India, status of colleges with potential for excellence at the third phase, and most importantly, we have started the one UGC community program and 2 program in Bachelor of Vocational, that is a BVoc. The year 2017 has added one more shining feather in KTHM crown when we have been accredited with A++ grade with 3.79 cumulative grade point average. We have secured the first place among all the colleges in Maharashtra and 4th place in the country. 2018 again proved a significant year when Savitribai Phule Pune University endowed the Best College Award to KTHM for the second time, considering our contribution in the academic, then extracurricular, co-curricular, and different types of the extension activity. And in the same year, we have again started the 3 different programs of the Bachelor of Vocational and 2 distinguished programs of the MHOC program in printing technology and interior design in the long list of our program. In the same year, the Ministry of Human Resource Development of the Government of India supported us, giving the approval to run an institutional innovation cell under the scheme of Institution Innovation Council and execute the scheme of the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. The Unnat Bharat Abhiyan scheme has widened the scope of our efforts to work for the rural as well as the tribal community. And considering our contribution in Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, the government of Maharashtra laid the responsibility to carry out the Unnat Maharashtra Abhiyan in 2019. Again in 2019, the University Grant Commission sanctioned 30 lakh rupees for the scheme of Paramarsh, encouraging us to assist the institution in divergent work area. KTHM College became one of the few recipients getting the status of STRIDE, that is scheme of the transdisciplinary research in for the India's developing economy in 2020. The STRIDE offers a scope to widen our horizon. In our academic effort, we have introduced the 11 distinguished courses or under the STRIDE scheme, which are approved by our parent university, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University. In addition to that, we have already started the more number of the enrichment courses. We have the central instrumentation facility for nurturing the research culture among the budding research scholar. The research mobilization, which we have initiated, has been supported by various renowned apex bodies providing financial assistance, and we received the different types of the grant, and because of that we could install or they establish the central instrumentation facility with different types of the sophisticated equipment. Having concern for maintaining the healthy environment, we have approved with air purity testing lab by Maharashtra Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board, through which we provide air purity data of Nasik city to the concerned authority every day. We also get engaged in the expedition of the soil testing, especially of the grape harvest farming, for which Nasik is known in the country. Friends, there is a much to assert about the milestone of the KTHM College. However, the time constraint allows me to emphasize only the few of them. I would like to present an overview of the numerous and distinguished courses that which we offer for the benefit of the student. I strongly feel that the innovation we have adopted and sustained in the curricular program has brought success in to our efforts. We offer 58 academic programs, out of which 32 for the undergraduate and 26 for the PG program. In addition to that, there are 13 recognized research center. Recognized means sanctioned by the parent university, and 10 for the MPhil program. In addition to these regular academic courses, we have made a provision to add-on courses following the guidelines of the University Grant Commission and guideline laid down by the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Friends, the accessibility and availability of the numerous and novel innovative program on our campus fetched great academic success for us so far. The number 698 of the rank holder, 51 of the first rank holder in various programs, and the several gold medalists have proved the fulfillment of our academic efforts. The number of rank holds seem to be increased consistently after the NAC accreditation. As Dr. H.G. Pawar already explained about that, this program or this lecture series we have organized under the scheme of the STRIDE, that is Scheme for Transdisciplinary Research for India's Developing Economy. Under this particular scheme, we have already started some of the innovative research project, which are completely related to the society relevant, locally need-based, nationally important, and globally competent. The STRIDE scheme is a very much supportive for basic, applied, and transformational action research for India's developing economy to attain the sustainable development goals, which will facilitate overall human development. And there are two main objectives of this particular scheme, that is STRIDE. The first objective is to identify the young talent, strengthen the research culture, build the capacity, promote the innovation, and support the transdisciplinary research relevant to the national development, and to enhance the overall well-being of the society. And second major objective is to find a high impact national network project in the identified thrust areas in humanities and human science and India's knowledge system. Mathematics department organized this particular lecture series in the line of these objectives laid down by or ascertained by the STRIDE of the University Grant Commission, which will remain beneficial for all the students as well as the faculty members. Now today's emerging theme is that is a Python. Myself, I am not well acquainted with the Python, but I have gone through the literature and got the idea about that. One of the most common use of the Python in its ability to create and manage data structures quickly. For instance, offers a plethora of tools to manipulate, analyze, and even represent data, as well as structure and complex databases. Python is not only effective tool for data analysis, but for all data science. Therefore, you can make the data more accessible and easier to use by means of creating various charts and graphics, as well as the web ready interactive plot also. Python provides you with the capability to get a good sense of data. I think the resource persons will give the proper guideline about this Python along with the application. I wish the very grand success for this particular lecture series. To conclude, I wish you all the great success in the coming days of this online lecture series. I express my thanks towards the guest of honor, Mr. Manas Gazre, as well as the head of the department, Dr. H.G. Pawar, for being with us for the inaugural event of this online lecture series. Or again, I wish you best of luck. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. D.P. Patil, sir, to give vote of thanks.
Good morning, everybody. Today, I am here for the lovely program of voting, vote of thanks for opening ceremony of the lecture series. I am thankful to our chief guest Manas Gazre for accepting our invitation for the lecture series, and who will deliver some lectures in this series. He has spared his valuable time for us. I am thankful to our principal for his constant support and continuous guidance. I am thankful to Chetan Shirore for the technical support for this conference. I am thankful to Professor Nalawade sir, convener of UGC STRIDE scheme. Also, I am thankful to our management of Maratha Vidya Prasark Samaj for always being with us for any events, for arranging any events. Thank you.